Yo, baby, you ready to let the games begin?
Baby.
Cause I'm ready. On your mark, get set, here we go. Check.
No edges to instant edges.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, I'm full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the getting rough. You can find me in the club.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, I'm at 2 million views. I'm so excited. Thank you, beauty friends. I really appreciate everybody that's viewed my channel since I started a little while ago, about 3 years ago to be exact, maybe 4. I really appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank you again for 2 million views. Armani put on his Twitter this morning that he need 500 retweets and 1,000 favorites. And yep, we did just that. So be looking out for his new single to drop December, the second week of December. He's dropping NITE's secret song. I think this might be what it's called. 1 hour past midnight. All right, y'all. This breaks my heart. Escape is my favorite little girl group. Oh, they are feuding over the dress scene at the Soul Train Music Awards. To be honest, Latasha said she never got the memo about the dresses, but they had 2 different stylists. And I'm just gonna be honest, Latasha's dress was pretty as hell. In my mind, I'm glad she won whatever stylist she had because her dress was beautiful. All right, next thing. Let's talk about this, y'all. Do you think a person getting high every day is linked to depression? We was just talking about Nene being, I guess, quote, allegedly high and alive with her and Toya. So let's talk about this. If a person gets high every day, is that linked to depression? And lastly, I have the council performance from Chris Brown. Yes, it is a doozy, y'all. It's a 7-minute video. Here y'all go.
Passion is the gold. Yes, Gold Bond is my moisturizer. I use some exfoliating pad. Yes, clean your face. Put your mask on. Ooh, look at them lips. Ooh, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off. Okay, look at my skin. Look at my skin. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Skin Passion is the toner. Toner. Skin Passion. Skin Passion toner. Yes. Ooh, look at that skin. Moisturize. Yes. Ooh, look at that skin.